Hey everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the Steam Pocket Mop. Let's get started. So the reason why I actually got this is because I was at my girlfriend's place and she was using one on her wood floors, and it was amazing because her wood floors look sparkling to begin with and it cooled up so much. And I currently just moved into a new place and there's been a lot of traffic in and out as we're getting construction done. And so I treated myself to one. So let's see how easy it is to set up and go ahead and give it a first try together. So right now I'm just pulling everything out of the box. Everything is very nicely and securely packaged. It does look as though there is some assembly, but very minor. So here is the actual mop head, and it comes with one of the covers already attached on it. And then here is a second replacement unit. So it appears it comes with two. Here is the handle. And here is the main body. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the handle to the main body. You hear it snap into place. And then to attach the body, same thing, it just nicely snaps into place. And you can tell where to snap in because on the back there's a little groove. That groove only fits into one side. So I was actually just going to put it on backwards, but their design is smart enough that it doesn't let you, so that is great. So just like that, it's already all set up. Everything is nicely labeled. This says lift handle to adjust, so I can lift this handle and now look, the length becomes longer and shorter. I push it back down and it's locked in place. It says pump for steam right here on both sides, and there's a little button. And then it also has this thing that you're going to pull off, but it makes it very obvious. It gives you a warning saying use only water. You're supposed to put any type of cleaning product into this. It's just supposed to be water, so just an FYI. Now that I have taken it out of the box and I've given it a quick look over, let's go ahead and fill this up with water and put it to work. This comes in the box as well to help you fill the steam mop with water. There's an opening right here and you fill it up like this. As easy as that. I can now put that back on and it's all set up. So this is the bottom. This is completely unused. I am going to start cleaning and see what it picks up because I have a feeling this floor is very disgusting. Let's get to it. So you can hear it when it's ready. It'll start to bubble and then you can press this for additional steam. My living room isn't very bright right now, but I can actually see the steam coming out. You probably can't through the camera, but it is steaming. And so if you look, I've just started doing this. It just started heating up. I am curious how much. Yep, it's already cleaning. That is pretty cool. One other thing that I wanted to point out is as I used it, I discovered it could go left, right, back and forth. It could get under all the nooks and crannies, and it could even flip upside down, and it still steams that way. It steams on both sides. Also, the more I used it, I realized you don't need to press the buttons on the side to pump it. The motion of going back and forth actually pumps it to produce the steam. Now, I fully understand how it works and my floors look better than ever. Like I said, this is such a small space and my floors have never looked so great.